Jasmy fundamentally acquired roughly 4.08% inside the extremely in every way that really matters, most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious way, which is very huge. The EMA 50 in every way that really matters explicitly is right now at $0.007, kind of sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, which is genuinely huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin generally is floating at $87,003,429 in a kind of certainly significant manner, which is genuinely huge. Jasmy generally has its essentially extremely next opposition at $0.006 in an unpretentious manner. 25 November 2023, in this video we will generally walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for sort of exceptionally 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly essentially generally clarified some pressing issues, facts, what by and large in every practical sense is for the most part momentary cost expectation for Jasmy coin. By and large truly is Jasmy a genuinely wise interest in a for the most part sort of enormous way in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on, showing that 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin generally especially is drifting at $87,003,429, which basically explicitly is very huge, which especially is very critical. Be that as it may, prior to plunging pretty sort of profound into the Jasmy specialized examination, in a real sense let us in a real sense generally discuss the very truly current economic situations, fundamentally extremely in spite of prevalent thinking in an unpretentious way. Market investigation over the sort of genuinely last 24 hours, there especially sort of was a destruction. The actually fundamentally complete exchanging volume sort of generally remains at $46,102,746,854 in an especially significant manner and an essentially huge manner. Bitcoin shares 51.45% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%, or so they especially thought, which in a real sense is very critical. Which basically especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,733.29 level after a vertical development of 0.01% in an actually for the most part huge manner, or so they in a real sense thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value decline of 1.16%, coming to $2,078.30 during the past 24 hours, which generally is very critical in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $233.82, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time span, or so they in a real sense thought, as opposed to mainstream thinking. XRP, the actually especially local coin of XRP in a real sense, essentially is somewhere around 0.1 and right now exchanging at 62 cents, or so they in every practical sense, explicitly thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which basically is genuinely huge, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. These occasions in every practical sense, in every way that really matters, show that the market essentially is going in an especially kind of descending heading for exceptionally sort of present moment, sort of lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking in an unpretentious right now, and in every practical sense, by and large broad certainly genuinely regrettable plunge, can being seen all through the crypto market, decently further appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum actually certainly has seen a value lessening of 1.16%, coming to $2,078.30 during the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner, which is very huge. Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense by and large distinguish very key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which explicitly shows that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way, which is very huge. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers generally fundamentally become certainly in every practical sense, all the more by and large sort of dynamic, and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, certainly truly further appearance, how the in every way that really matters, all-out exchanging volume for the most part by and large stands at $46,102,746,854, which very is genuinely huge, or so they truly thought. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which dealers certainly become move actually especially dynamic and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from moving in every practical sense, a lot higher in a kind of enormous manner amazingly. Following certainly are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy coin execution the in every practical sense, truly current Jasmy coin cost especially is $0.007. With an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the sort of beyond 24 hours, exhibiting how market examination over the sort of last 24 hours, there quite was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the actually for the most part whole cryptographic money market to $1,433,698,568,583, or so they truly thought, which by and large is genuinely critical. At present, Jasmy extremely is up by 4.08% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 United States dollars, in a fundamentally in every practical sense, enormous way, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin value investigation Jasmy cost examination for 25 November 2023, inside a very of day-to-day time period, generally made sense of beneath, or so they in a real sense thought. We use in every practical sense, certainly relative strength index RSI, moving actually fundamentally normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including actually commonly basic moving exceptionally beautiful normal, SMA, and dramatic moving genuinely normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the Jasmy coin. Or so they especially in a real sense thought in an unobtrusive way. The MACD line by and large in a real sense is remaining beneath of the kind of sort of sine line after a hybrid, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which sort of is genuinely huge. Jasmy coin financial backers need to generally hang tight for any directional change over the beautiful kind of day-to-day diagram. So 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin explicitly is floating at $87,003,429 in an entirely significant manner, which truly is genuinely huge. The overall strength file, RSI, for Jasmy coin generally fundamentally is as of now floating at 19 for 14 days, sort of especially normal line, which basically especially implies Jasmy especially is in oversold zone, and a pattern actually certainly inversion especially truly is conceivable. Showing how Bitcoin shares 51.45% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33% in a genuinely significant manner in an unobtrusive way. While Jasmy's Williams %R pointer in every practical sense, in a real sense is at 77.222 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange actually genuinely signals sort of is somewhat especially conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that Jasmy coin financial backers need to by and large hang tight for any direction